Okay. So SU space Rina. Now what it is showing us? No permission or permission denied. रूट को भी परमिशन नहीं दे रहा है स्विच होने के लिए. Why is that? And permission नहीं मिल रही है. That is why here you won't get shell. Why हमें permission क्यों नहीं मिल रही? Why we are not getting that permission? Because that home directory it is
of
not.
Tina now.
It is assigned to Tina. It is it get create while creating Tina user, and that is why देखो अभी मैं यहाँ से exit मारती हूँ. If you won't get permission to use that home directory, it means what? You will not have a rights to use a desktop also. So that is why आप लोगों को शेल नहीं मिल रही है, डेस्कटॉप नहीं मिलेगा, डॉक्यूमेंट्स नहीं मिलेगा, होम डायरेक्टरी नहीं है. अगर किसी यूजर को होम डायरेक्टरी नहीं है, यू कैन नॉट लॉग इन दैट यूजर. होम डायरेक्टरी दैट /sbi यूज करने की परमिशन नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है बताती हूँ मैं. आई टेक एग्जिट फ्रॉम हियर. कहाँ पे होम डायरेक्टरी, कौन सी होम डायरेक्टरी असाइन की है टीना एंड रीना को? दैट इज /sbin. सो वी गो टू दैट स्लैश लोकेशन. चलो cd space slash enter ls space hyphen ltr. Enter. You will find here SBI is there, and we create this /sbi folder at the time of creating this Tina user, है ना? And that is why इसका फर्स्ट ओनर जो है, इस फोल्डर का फर्स्ट ओनर जो है वो टीना है. एंड सेकेंड ओनर कौन है? टीना जिस ग्रुप में बिलोंग कर रही है. देख लो, टीना का प्राइमरी ग्रुप कौन है? वाशी है ना? कैसे पता चला टीना का प्राइमरी ग्रुप वाशी है? क्योंकि टीना की प्राइमरी ग्रुप आईडी इज 1007. 1007 किसका आईडी है? वाशी का. And that is why it is showing you here that primary group name is Vashi. Of this folder, primary group name is Vashi and owner name is Tina, and all rights are given to only owner. Group and others के लिए कोई भी rights नहीं है. जबकि ये जो रीना है, रीना का भी प्राइमरी ग्रुप वाशी ही है. देख लो 1007 मतलब रीना का प्राइमरी ग्रुप भी वाशी है, एंड रीना का भी सेकेंडरी ग्रुप भी सेम है जो टीना का. तो बोथ आर हैविंग ए सेम प्राइमरी ग्रुप, सेकेंडरी ग्रुप, बोथ, बट दे डोंट हैव ए परमिशन. ग्रुप के लिए भी कुछ परमिशन नहीं है, others के लिए भी नहीं है. only permission is given to Tina. That is why this folder as a home directory, it can be used by Tina only, not by any other user. So we will have to give a permission, then only Reena can log in. So how will you give that permission? अच्छा, permissions का chapter तुम लोग का नहीं हुआ है, but then too we have discussed something. परम की कमांड हुई है हमारी बेसिक कमांड्स में, है ना? हो गया था क्या वो? फाइंड कमांड have we seen that find command? हाँ, in that find command at that time,
yes ma'am,
at that time I taught you that to read we use a letter R and its value is 4. To write we use letter W, that value is 2. And executable, that is we use letter X and its value is 1. So combinedly, if we consider all this 4 plus 2 plus 1, so if I want to change a permission, So we use, देखो permission का chapter हम लोग का रहेगा, we will cover that chapter, but here I have to assign permission. That is why briefly I give you explanation of this. I want to give a permission. Owner के तो already we have to keep same as it is, 4 plus 2 plus 1. Most annoying this, देख लो. अरे यार, copy. Okay, so owner we have to keep same permission. ठीक है. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 कितना है ये? 7. Then we have to give same permission, we have to give it to group also. 7. If you want right now also, if you want then only you can give that same permission to others also, otherwise you can give 0, you can keep same as it is. ठीक है. तो मैं यहाँ पे लिखूंगी कमांड कैसे रहेगी मेरी. ch mode मतलब क्या? change mode. Change mode means what? We are changing permission of this file. So 770 0 space file name is or folder name is SBI. ठीक है. So this is the command by which we can give a permission. मैं चाह तो 0 भी रख सकती हूँ. If you want to give whole permission, you can write there chmod 777 and SBI. So what will happen? Others will also get all permission of read write executable. This is up to you what you want. ठीक है. I save this board and मैं यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिकली करके दिखाती हूँ. So chmod 770 and then folder name is SBI. Enter. So ls space hyphen ltr. You can see here that group also, it also has permissions of rwx. Now अभी देखो क्या रीना लॉगिन कर पाती है, देखते हैं. यहाँ तक लिखा सबने? If you are writing then I can wait 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so check करेंगे. su space Reena. Su what? That is switch user. अरे ये अपग्रेड भी आ गया. 9 मिनट्स में रिकनेक्ट करना है. हाँ, ये टर्मिनेट हो जाएगा. Okay, su space Reena. I entered here. Now you can see you can log in Reena now. Got this? So in future also, if you find that type of error like bash and $sign, if it is showing you, it means that you don't have rights to use that home directory. So you will have to give a permission. ठीक है। Okay, I take exit from here. Okay, so just for a revision, I one more time I use that command user mode space what we have seen for assigning home directory. We use D. Suppose if we are using same home directory SBI, then for language तो default /bin/bash मिल जाता है, तो you can skip that space that option. Then for assigning primary group we use small g. Then if I want to assign a Vashi, this Vashi group is already created. Then for secondary group we use capital G. As we know, you can check it in the group file. Vashi and Navi Mumbai, these two groups are already created. So this group should be created, then only you can assign to any user. So I write here Navi Mumbai, then UID. So UID, if you want, now UID is in the range of 3000. If you want to change some other range, like मैंने रख दिया, अभी मुझे चाहिए 4000 के इसमें, रख दिया 4000. And end में username, any username, क्या username दे, Harry, enter. Harry already exists. फिर पेरी लिख देते हैं, पेरी 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 पेरी. यूजर मॉड नहीं आएगा ना, यूजर ऐड. Okay, so यहाँ भी it will tell you कि directory is already assigned, but it get assigned to that user. अभी password file open करके देखोगे. Okay, here you will find that Perry user 4000 is its UID. 1007 is the primary group ID. Primary group ID किसका है? 1007 Vashi का. It means its primary group is Vashi. SBI is the home directory. Then if I update past group file also, अरे ये कर्सर कहाँ गया? अरे किधर है कर्सर, इसका दिखती नहीं है. Group file. Okay, so now Perry name is in front of Navi Mumbai. It means Reena, Tina, Perry. All these users. Secondary group is Navi Mumbai, है ना? Its primary group. All these users, their primary group is Vashi. Their secondary group is Navi Mumbai. Their home directory is SBI. Now, SU space Perry. You log in the Ferry because group के लिए तो हमने permission दिया है. Now CD करो. Now what this shows कि Ferry is in his home directory. Ferry is in his home directory. And what is the home directory of Ferry? When you enter PWD, you will come to know it is showing you that he is using same SBI. Got this? Any doubt, please tell me. If you have any doubt, please ask questions. अगर आगे बढ़ गए तो फिर कोई भी डाउट नहीं ना किसी को? बताओ.
यूजर ऐड के बाद जो कमांड से वापस बता सकते.
यूजर ऐड के बाद कमांड, अच्छा वो वापस से देखने हैं आपको. ओके. कैन आई एंटर हिस्ट्री कमांड दिखा दूं कि स्क्रॉल कर दूं
हाँ
स्क्रीन?
चलेगा. हिस्ट्री
एक सेकंड. I show you, I scroll the screen so you can see that properly. किधर गया? हाँ, user add. This is the user add command. Query. Then I check the password file. I check.
okay.
Then to see that update again, we have to enter that password file, group file. Then only you can see the changes.
I just got confused. परमिशन डिनाइड क्यों नहीं आया?
अरे परमिशन डिनाइड क्यों नहीं आया? क्योंकि परमिशन डिनाइड क्यों आया? When that query will come, or when that issue will come, when this SBI, see, this SBI is the home directory which is assigned to all these user. Previously permission denied क्यों आया था? cd space slash, देखो, ls space hyphen ltr, because now I change the permission ना.
Okay, समझा.
To group also I have assigned rwx and all these user, कौन रीना, अभी कौन सा बनाया हमने? फेरी, रीना, टीना, हैरी, all these users are in the same group. वाशी ही उनका primary group है and I gave bold permission.
Tina was the owner. Okay.
Tina is the owner, but Tina and group members all they have same permissions. rwx.
Okay.
Group members also can use this folder as a home directory. Okay. Okay, then we'll see. काहीचं नाव. वृषाली, टेलिग्राम मध्ये अकाउंट आहे का तुझं? जे टेलिग्राम माहिती कसं यूज करतात? किधर गई वृषाली? कैन यू हियर मी? अरे बोलो यार. I can share that CentOS 7 file with on Telegram. It is easy to access.
Yes, ma'am. I am on Telegram.
You know that Telegram. If you don't have that CentOS 7 now,